Hi! As promised, here is the Granny Square tote bag. Each square has been made a total of 13, but you can also do 12 if you don't want the part that actually has the button on it. The link to the actual square is on my channel and in the description, the link. So you needed 12 squares to begin with. That of course you're going to join with whatever joining you would like to join them with. You need to have them in a specific order. They need to look like a V. So you can see I put 2, 2, 2. Opposite side, I'm going to put 2, 2. And that is the shape you're going for. So when you join your squares, please join them in that particular way. So here am I just quickly showing you how I join them using a crochet needle and going through the front loop of the front of the one square and the back loop of the other square. Sorry, I just kind of lost the words. But you are more than welcome to use a darning needle to join these squares or any other type of stitch that you wish to join it with. And I just simply made a slip stitch and joined it. So I'm not going to show you how I joined each and every one, but this is what you should end up having. I put the 13th one, the brownish color one, in that specific spot right on top. So there I'm just showing you that's 4 squares, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that is the added optional one. Now to make the actual bag, you're just going to turn it over. So the back needs to be facing you. Then you're going to go to the one corner and you're going to fold it in towards the middle. And you're going to do the same thing with the other side. And now you're going to do the same thing with the bottom. And those two sides are the sides that you are going to join. So you can use the same stitch that you used before to join those two pieces. That piece there is the piece I'm going to use and put a button on so that it has a little flap to close the bag. But that's completely up to you. You don't have to. Just make sure that whatever stitch you used or using, continue with it. This is the end of the joining. So I joined the two parts. And now I'm just going to make one single crochet around the bag. So in every stitch I'm doing one single crochet. At the corner points it's one single crochet, chain stitch and a single crochet, just to neaten it all up. So that is what I did. One single crochet. So it all looks nice and neat. Button will go. Now the only thing you need to do is a nice bag strap. So I'm just going to make a slip stitch. And into that specific corner, I'm going to make 2 double crochets. That on how long you want it or how short you want it. So it's 2 chains, 2. Very easy to follow, and I'm so sorry if you can hear a lawnmower in the back. My neighbor just decided to mow their lawn while I'm busy recording. Then you're going to turn your work slip stitch into the first 2 stitches and then slip stitch into the middle. And you're going to repeat what you did for the first one. So you can either do the stitch I'm doing now, or you can make 3 chain. That will count as 1 double crochet, another double crochet, 2 chain, and you're going to continue like until you have your desired length of strap. For me, I did 45 rows in total, and I'll do a few more to show you how I actually did the very first stitch. I don't know the stitch's name, but it looks better than just doing like 2 chain for a double crochet or crochet. Just makes the edging look. Don't forget, the flap is an added extra. If you could like my video, subscribe, comments are more than welcome. So you see I'm doing that same stitch again, and I have to find the stitch's name. So if anybody knows, please drop it in the comments. The lining for this bag I will post on a separate video. So that's it. I just joined it together with needle and thread, put on a button, and that's the entire bag. I hope you enjoyed this bag. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I do post occasionally. If you have a question, please get hold of me. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day or night.